ISDATE function in the T-SQL programming language specifies whether the parameter sent is of date type. It is used for control purposes. One value is sent to the function. Returns 1 if the sent value is of date type, 0 otherwise. Let's better understand how it works by making an example in SQL Server. The value 1 is returned because the parameter sent to the ISDATE function is date. A value of 0 is returned because there are number 13 months in a year. It returns 0 because it's 48 days. The value 0 is returned because there cannot be a letter in the date format. Even if there is no separator, it returns 1 if it conforms to the date format. It returns 0 because it has 7 characters. Let's take a look at other examples. The value 0 is returned because there are number 25 hours in a day. A value of 0 is returned because February does not have 31 days. Now let's create a table and make an example. I am creating a table with columns ID, first name, last name and date. I will add a record to the table with the insert into command. Some of the dates I added are not in date format. I can add because the date column is of varchar type. If it was of date type, it would not be appended. I can see the data with the select command. With the ISDATE function, I can see if the data in the date column is a date. A value of 0 represents not a date type. The 1s are of date type. I will create another table. I will transfer the date type data to the other table. I change the table name and create another table. I am using ISDATE function in where condition to find date type data. Only 5 records added. I am running the select command to see the records in the newly created table. We have successfully sent the date type data to the second table. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.